What's going on, people? I've been recording videos with my GoPro A04 Silver. That shit didn't record, man. So I sent it back 2 weeks ago. Look, Portuguese airplane, top. And I just got it back. So I'm trying this new one also. See if it works. I tried to record my exhaust installation. I lost all the footage. Try to record the exhaust sound and all that stuff. Didn't work either. I recorded the sound of my exhaust and everything, but with my Hero session. So here's that video, man. Like this, man, it looks more like a naked than a war tank. I was just riding over here. I just did like around 10 miles, and the weight difference in the back, it's totally different, man. Now the bike feels more nimble. So like around 22 pounds I shaved off, and the bike looks much cleaner. But I know you guys want to hear this shit, right? The bike is already warm, so all the sound, and I have the buffle in. I didn't take it out because it's loud enough. I was just gunning it all over here, and it was very loud also. One of these days I'm gonna do like a mod of what I've done to it already. Even this sticker CM Moto looks cool over there. This is the sound, guys, with the buffle in. Damn, dude, you could even hear the whistle even better. The other mufflers were just too clogged. Didn't let the bike breathe well. And especially I love the titanium on this. It looks really cool. And even the rear tire, the 190 tire in the back, looks cleaner, man. Looks much cleaner. Sounds really good. I'm not sure I'm gonna take the buffle out, but look at the tire, man. Look at the rear one on the side of the swing arm. Looks off the chisets. And the way you roll, baby, let's go. No, we ain't never gonna stop. Let me see you lose control. Drop it low and get down on it. Show me that you want it. It sounds so supersonic, baby. This is how it goes. You gotta be aggressive riding around here, man. Jesus. People don't pay attention. Hope you guys enjoyed that little sound of the beast, because I really love it. The bike feels much lighter. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. You can't keep me down.